Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Daniel Light as usual, and I know a lot of us actually missed out on the 10k free profit account which I made video on of recent. Sorry about that, because I know a lot actually thought maybe it's scam or maybe the profit isn't real. Now it's over. This is the fact that they actually allocated it to over 500 traders already, and that was their fixed budget. Now I'll be showing you in this video on how you can get a free 5k profit account, and I don't want you to miss out on this because offers like this don't last too long. Now if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and turn on notification so that you always be the first to get notified anytime I drop video on crypto update, forex no deposit bonus, and how to make money online. Now proceeding to the video, I'll be dropping a link to the description and also in the comment section, which will bring you to this part where you see details where you'll be able to sign up. Now once you get to this part, you add in your first name, your last name, you input your email, and also create a password. And once you're done with all this part, you click on register. You'll be having something like this on your screen. Then you'll see this message pop up on your screen. First of all, you have to go to your email to confirm your email, like the email which you used in registering. You click on it and see confirm email right here in your email. Now once you're done with that, you come back to the site to input your login details and click on login. Now once you do that, you'll be logged in into the site like this, having details like this on your screen. Alright, without wasting time, we're going straight to get the 5k profit account. Now you just have to click on these three lines showing up here, which will bring options like this, and you click on challenge. Now the challenge will take you to this side where you see details like this on your screen. Now take note of this, you have to make sure this one showing crypto and forex, make sure the option is on forex, and you click come down here to click on start. After that, you should be having these details on your screen, and you click on yes. Then you go back to the dashboard where you see you would have been funded already. So after you've been funded, the next thing you need to do is to link this with your seed trader, and that's because you cannot trade this on MT4 and MT5. Now to be able to link this with your seed trader, you click on trade showing down here, which will bring information like this on your screen. Now you click on go to trading, and immediately a message will be sent to your email about the trading account for seed trader. Immediately you click on, go to straight to your email, you see a message like this. Now you click on it, and once you open it, you'll be seeing details of the seed trader account. Now the next step you need to take is go to Play Store, download seed trader for trading forex stock, and once you're done downloading it, you click on continue, and right here you input your details, the details which was sent to your email. You input your email and your password and click on create seed trader ID, and immediately you'll be logged in into the seed trader app, and you see details like this, which means you can start placing trade immediately. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and also turn on notification. Have a nice day, guys.